मैं तुमसे मंदिर जाने का बहाना बनाकर मिलने आई हूँ. I came to meet you on the pretext of going to the temple.
I came to meet you on the pretext of going to the temple.
मैं तुमको बताने ही वाला था. I was just to tell you.
I was just to tell you.
झूठ बोलने वाले को कोई आदमी पसंद नहीं करता. None likes a man who tells a lie.
None likes a man who tells a lie.
अपनी हद में रहो. Stay in your limits.
Stay in your limits.
मेरे पिताजी को मेरे शराब पीने में कोई आपत्ति नहीं है. My father doesn't mind drinking with me.
My father doesn't mind drinking with me.
क्या करूं मैं? आंसू बहाऊं? What else should I do? Shed tears?
What else should I do? Shed tears.
क्या इस शहर में ऐसा कोई है जिससे तुमने उधार पैसे ना लिए हो? Is there anyone in this city you haven't borrowed money from?
Is there anyone in this city you haven't borrowed money from?
इनमें से कोई नहीं. Neither of.
Neither of.
जो भी हुआ, उसे भूल जाओ. Forget that, whatever happened.
Forget that, whatever happened.
नहीं, बस ऐसे ही. No, just like that.
No, just like that.
तुम्हें अंदाजा नहीं है कि मैं कितना नाराज हूं. You have no idea how pissed I am.
You have no idea how pissed I am.
वो शराब के आदी हैं. They are addicted to alcohol.
They are addicted to alcohol.
आपकी आवाज कट रही है. I'm sorry, you are breaking up.
I'm sorry, you are breaking up.
मैं ऊपर की ओर जा रहा हूं. I am going upwards.
I am going upwards.
सुनो, तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे थे? Listen, what were you searching for?
Listen, what were you searching for?
जब वो मुझसे टकराया तब बहुत अंधेरा था. It was very dark when he hit me.
It was very dark when he hit me.
इसे सुलझाने के लिए मुझे कुछ वक्त दो. Give some time to resolve it.
Give some time to resolve it.
मैं तुमसे अकेले में बात करना चाहता हूं. I want to talk to you alone.
I want to talk to you alone.
तुम खुद से कुछ नहीं करते. You do nothing by yourself.
You do nothing by yourself.
पालतू पशु हमें आसानी से नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाते. Pet animals don't harm us easily.
Pet animals don't harm us easily.
वे लोग कहाँ गए हैं? Where have they gone?
Where have they gone?
किसी दिन बड़ी परेशानी में फंसोगे. You will land up in big trouble someday.
You will land up in big trouble someday.
1 घंटे से. For an hour.
For an hour.
इसी बात पर तो हमारे बीच झगड़ा हुआ. That's what we had a dispute on.
That's what we had a dispute on.
वो अच्छा आदमी है. He is a good person.
He is a good person.
इलाके कुत्तों के होते हैं. Dogs have territories.
Dogs have territories.
जिंदगी बहुत छोटी है, मेरे दोस्त. Life is too short, my friend.
Life is too short, my friend.
आज खाने में नमक नहीं है. There's no salt in the food today.
There's no salt in the food today.
तुमने मुझसे झूठ बुलवाया. You made me tell a lie.
You made me tell a lie.
मेरी माँ ने यह तुम्हारे लिए भेजा है. My mother sent this for you.
My mother sent this for you.
तुम्हें यह पेन मोबाइल के साथ मिलेगा. You will get this pen along the mobile.
You will get this pen along the mobile.
क्या हक था तुम्हें वहां रुकने का? What right did you have to stay there?
What right did you have to stay there?
तुम घर बैठे ऑनलाइन कमा सकते हो. You can earn online at sitting home.
You can earn online at sitting home.
मैं छाया में खड़ा हूं. I am standing in the shade.
I am standing in the shade.
उससे दोबारा पूछो. Ask him again.
Ask him again.
वो मुझे पागल बना रहा है. He is making me fool.
He is making me fool.
आपने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why did you say that?
Why did you say that?
इस वक्त घर पर होना मेरे लिए जरूरी है. Being at home is important for me right now.
Being at home is important for me right now.
अगर मैं कुछ गिरवी रख दूं तो? What if I give you something as collateral?
What if I give you something as collateral?
अगर तुम प्रधानमंत्री होते तो क्या करते? What would you do if you were the prime minister?
What would you do if you were the prime minister?
मुझे कुछ करना है. I want to do something.
I want to do something.
मैंने लड़के को दोषी पाया. I found the boy guilty.
I found the boy guilty.
वो नहीं चाहती कि तुम उससे मिलो. She doesn't want you to meet her.
She doesn't want you to meet her.
ऊपर देखो. Look up.
Look up.
मैं पूरी रात काम कर रहा था. I was working whole night.
I was working whole night.
क्या मैं तुम्हारी कोई मदद कर सकता हूँ? Can I help you in any way?
Can I help you in any way?
अब तुम्हें उसकी बात नहीं माननी पड़ेगी. Now you will not have to obey him.
Now you will not have to obey him.
उसे खाने के लिए खाना दो. Give him food to eat.
Give him food to eat.
आपने क्या कहा? What did you say?
What did you say?
सड़क पर एक भिखारी था. There was a beggar on the street.
There was a beggar on the street.